Hey guys, this is Code Invest, the partner channel for Speaking Charts. So Speaking Charts has asked me to do another strategy video for you guys. So I'll show you guys how to use the strategy. So all you have to do is go to tradingview.com or use the app. So you just have to click on the indicators tab and type in mean. So you can type in mean reversion. So mean reversion, it's the one here by Fareed Zilkifli, if I pronounce that right. So I'll just click, I've already added it to my chart, so I'll just click the page icon here, the little page icon, to bring up some information. So as you can see, mean reversion channel Fareed's MIR variant. So it has different calculations to it. I'll just show you guys how to use it. So basically there is it's kind of like so there's a red line, an orange, so it's a red line in area, orange line in area, and yellow line in area. So that's on the top and the bottom. So on the top, the yellow area is weak overbought. There's an overbought area which is orange, and a strong overbought area which is red. And oppositely we have a strong oversold which is red, oversold which is orange, and weak oversold which is yellow. There's also a median line in the center which is yellow, and then there's a line between the median line and the weak oversold, which is like a dotted another dotted line. And then there's another dotted line between the median line and the weak overbought area. So I'll show you guys just another strategy. You can also add Nadarya Watson. So add the envelope, the Nadarya Watson envelope. It's the first one by Lux Algo, and then you can also add a MACD or a stochastic. MACD might work a little bit better in this case. So I'll just hide my indicators. So I'll show you guys how to use it. So for example, let's just use a past example. So there's a pretty good example here. As you can see, the price is coming up into strongly overbought, which is the red shaded area, if you can see the crosshair. So it's coming up into the red shaded area. Just move that down here. As you can see, so if you can see the crosshair, it's coming actually above and beyond the red shaded area, so it's very strongly overbought in this case. And basically you want to just enter when the MACD has a signal cross. So the fast line, which is the blue line, crosses below the orange line, which is showing a bearish cross. So you can take that signal, and you can take the signal to perhaps the median yellow line here. So as you can see, the trade was above, so the price was above the orange line and the Nadarya Watson envelope, as you can see, which is showing a strongly overbought signal. And you can close out when the price gets near the yellow line. So that's a short example. You can also, so I'm using this on the pound against the dollar. You can use this on anything, cryptocurrency. You can use it on commodities. You can use it on stocks, stock indexes, anything you want. So there's another short example here. As you can see, we came into I think it was overbought area, a little bit into the strongly overbought, also above the Nadarya Watson envelope. Then we had the short signal here. As you can see by the crosshair, the histogram turned red. So the signal cross occurred. So that was, the entry was 1.22784. And the area to close was around 1.22559. So as you can see, it's worked pretty well. I believe it's been tested on the 5-minute to have some pretty good results. I think the 15-minute can work better. You can also use it on the 4-hour. Of course, the 4-hour will get you less trades, but you can also use it. Just looking for a long example, so there's been quite a few shorts, as you can see, all doing pretty well for the most part. So just looking for a short example. Okay, so here's a little bit of a short example. As you can see, so the price came down and touched the weak overbought area, which was denoted by the yellow shaded area once again. Came up for about 1.22106. So maybe about between 10 and 15 pips. I think the actual take target was about here. So maybe roughly about neutral, which is okay. So you guys can also check other pairs. For example, we can go on the euro. So let's just see. So there's more short. So there's some pretty good short examples here. So again, touch the strong to overbought area. Had the signal cross here. Eventually came up. So you can stop out if the price actually comes back into the zone. Once it exits the zone, so you can stop out if the price. So if you take the signal here, then you hold the trade for a while, and then it comes back into the overbought area. You can close the trade. And for example, the next one here had a signal here, came and touched the strongly overbought area, had a short here in this area, and closed around this area, so about 50 pips there. So it's pretty good. It can be good. Just looking for one short example. Hasn't exactly touched the bottom of the channel. Hopefully I can just get something here. Okay, I think there's one here where it touched the bottom. So here it came here and touched the oversold area, weak oversold area. Had the trade here, as you can see, the signal cross of the MACD. Had the bullish signal cross. Came up, so the candle opened at 108021 and closed at 10839 or 1084 area. So it can be pretty good. Once again, you just have to wait for it, test it out. Hopefully you guys like the strategy. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, you can subscribe to Code Invest and Speaking Charts as well. And thanks for watching, and take care.